Alright, let's see what kind of surprise we have in here. Ew! Look at that! That's as dark as night! You know what's going to happen to this system? It's going to get a leak. That's what's going to happen to this one. It probably already has one. There's so much contaminants in there from metal rubbing off through time from the moving parts of this system. Black. Not the right color. This is ugly. This system needs to have minimum right now, and hopefully we can salvage it. Replace the power steering fluid. Now, if we don't do that, we're going to find that we're going to end up replacing the rack and pinion because the seals are going to go out. See, these are the things that on a car today, that could cost $2,500 easy to do a rack and pinion and put this in. Plus, you usually do have to do the pump with it. So, power steering fluid being serviced on a regular basis when it's getting overloaded, it could be every 24 months, but it's really going to depend on the vehicle. No longer than 24 months new fluid. It's not a very expensive service. It's not thousands of dollars. It's in the hundreds of dollars or less, right? Depending on the vehicle, that you can save having a catastrophic future problem. And let me tell you, we do a lot and see a lot of power steering line leaks. A lot of rack and pinions that are leaking. And they're leaking because the fluid was not serviced.